there, I'm Jackie, and welcome to Nested Gardens. I am so excited that you have decided to grow your own veggie box, and this is the checklist that's going to help you do just that. We are going to go over what to plant, where to plant it, when to plant it, and of course the all-important how on earth are we going to get these little babies into the ground and then survive through to the end so that you can be harvesting at the end of the season and bringing food in to your actual table so you can actually eat stuff that you've grown right from seed. It's going to be amazing. The one thing that I don't need to tell you about is why, because you probably know why, that growing a garden is awesome and you've seen pictures, maybe your friends have a garden and this is your year, it's your turn now. So I am here to walk you right through it step by step by step. Why would I do this? Well, I'm a bit of a garden geek, also a certified permaculture landscape designer. And so my favorite thing is finding the right plant for the right place and then watching it grow and thrive and seeing the excitement on somebody's face when they bring in a handful of lettuce or a tomato that they've just grown. And the flavor is amazing. You guys are going to love it. And I'm here for the ride. So not only am I going to hold your hand through it all, but also if you need a little kick in the pants, I'm your girl. I want you to commit to this dream. It's going to take all summer long to get to the end, but I know you can do it. And this checklist is going to help. So I tried to make it as simple as possible. The information out there is varied and some of it's great on how to grow gardens. Some of it is absolute garbage. And we've got to figure out how to navigate through what's going to get our plants growing and what's going to kill them in their tracks. So I've made this simple checklist. It goes through 5 different parts. We are at part 1 today. And even though I tried to pare it down, it became a bit of a beast. It's 16 pages. But when we go through it, I want you to print it off, mark it up, make it your own. And we are going to find a space, a perfect place, all the plants for you so that you can have success this year. I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. I will be back tomorrow when we talk specifically about location. If you want to connect with me at any time, go ahead and reply to this email. I will be reading it. I will be responding because, like I said, we're going to make this work and we can do it together. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.